Peter, you've been out in the world for a few years now, entertaining the thousands.
Well, I've been over here for 44 years now, and I've been in the club circuit for about 38 years, doing all around Sydney, all around Australia actually, and overseas, the States and wherever. And doing all the cruise ships as well, and still doing them now. So, it's been a great journey, it's an experience. So now my young fella does it. He's dancing for Manpower.
Oh.
Yeah. So he's doing it now. He's over in the States, dancing over there. So we've got a bit of a going on thing with the entertainment side of it. But I go back home and do shows sometimes back home. But mostly it's over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where's your family from back home, Pete?
They're from up in the Beverley Brougham in Kaikohe. Our roku, which is our marae, is the kotahitanga down in Kaikohe. The Paki family, which is my father is Charlie Paki. Our grandfather was Peter Paki. And so, all this sort of names that have been cut and spliced and edited with all the Maoris. But I've spent a lot of time, probably till about 14 or 15, and I left home. Then I started on the road from there. And came over here in '68.
Wow.
And as a working holiday, and still holidaying and still working. Yes. So, but I go home every year or twice a year. See the whānau and see mum.
Very good. So when was your last trip home?
Last trip home was September last year. We went back home for our great-grandfather's unveiling down at our Hurupa down in Rangihamana Road.
Oh, okay. Because you were showing me a T-shirt not long ago.
Yeah. That's for one of the maraes just past our old home in Kaikohe, Marae. Yeah, and that we were making. They brought us for raising funds to help them build this marae up again. It got burnt down, apparently, accidentally burnt down. So and I was going to wear it to the thing, and because I think I'll be the only one who'll have one left. Those other fellas would have worn theirs out by now. Yeah.
So what have you got planned for this year? You've got. Did you say you had a trip overseas in April?
Trip over to Vietnam on the 25th of April for 2 weeks. Then we've got a few Polynesian shows in Sydney, South Sydney Juniors, Blacktown Workers, Liverpool Catholic Club, Club Hurstville, Bird RSL, Bulldogs Leagues, Bankstown Sports Club. So I've got a fair bit on.
Oh, excellent.
So if they want to go on my site, they can go on my site. Just Peter Paki Home, and then press on Home, Peter Paki Home, that's it. Or www.peterpakihome, and then up comes all my details. And
Oh, there you go, whānau. Yeah. Don't say I didn't share.
Cost nothing either.
Don't say I didn't share all that information. Because, Peter, you've also been involved with the Kiwi golf for a few years too. I mean,
I actually kicked it off. We used to be the Maori's entertainers, which was Rinda Paul and Nuki Waka and Gudi Waka and Jimmy Taitua and all these fellows, all the entertainers. Well, they were sort of dwindling away and either going home or dying or coming up the surface or whatever. So there was only about 2 of us left. So Nuki said, I'm going to give away the club, I said, no. So I got a hold of Bub Rickett. And I said, Bub, we'll start the club up again. So we did, and then we turned it into the Kiwi Golf Club so that everybody can play, because it was just the Maori the golf club entertainers. But then now it's everybody, all walks of life. We have Asians, we've got Chinese, we've got Lebanese, we've got Aussies, we've got Maoris, we've got all sorts. Of course, they're all married to our...
interfamily, that's right.
With the Maori girls,
Yep.
So... they're fun,
yeah,
and
exactly.
they're great. It's a very good club, good harmony, and then plus, Brisbane's got a Kiwi Golf Club, Adelaide's got a Kiwi Golf Club, Newcastle got a Kiwi. Now it's sort of just bang, spread. Melbourne, Adelaide, Perth, they've all got it now. So some of them come over from home to play with the Kiwi Golf Club, as an international tournament.
Because that's why I brought it up, because I think it's important for our people to look after themselves.
It's a good get-together.
Yeah.
We have a get-together. Sometimes the boys bring a guitar down and we play after the game of golf, that sort of thing. Some of our brother clubs, we have a contest against each other, and then after that we have a few drinks and a few sing-alongs. The same old like years ago,
No, excellent.
Yep, and so the clubs are going strong. We've got the kids playing golf, we've got the women playing golf with us. We've got A grade, we've got B grade, we've got C grade, and just that's all on the net. The Sydney Kiwi Golf Club,
Oh,
Golf Club,
okay.
Kiwi Sydney, whatever you want to call it.
Yep.
Yeah, www. Yep. So we go down to Aussie's church down at
Engadine. Yeah.
Yeah, we go down once a month down there.
Excellent.
We go down there to roughly them. And then you fellas have yours at...
Mascot.
Mascot still?
Yeah.
So whenever I can go to the days, I try and...
No, good one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, no, excellent. No.
Last week, only a week ago, I just got back from Tahiti. I was on the cruise. So, shipped back from Tahiti through to Auckland, fly back from Auckland to here. So I was away for another Sunday. I couldn't play golf. Couldn't go to church. But it's all good.
Yeah, I'll say. Oh, no, thank you very much for this time. I'm sure all our Morehu will be rapt that they've got Peter in their living room talking about what he's been up to.
Yeah,
okay. No, thanks very much, Pete. Kia ora.